Welcome to CRM training session for Automatic Log. We're going to talk about opportunity list. All the leads, which are opportunities, are displayed in a table format or a tabular format in an opportunity list screen. You can access opportunity list on the left menu right here. On the top section, you are showing different filters. These are easy filters showing you today's leads, last 7 days leads, last 30 days, and any unresponded leads. Unresponded means, again, the leads that have communicated with us, but we haven't communicated back with them. That means it's our turn to either email them or text them or call them. We have filters for store, date range, which defaults to last 7 days, source type, again, that shows how the lead came into our system from the internet, or was it entered manually by the user while they were talking to someone on the phone, or a walk-in, or through a campaign or social media. We have different filters for notes, employees, neglected, and then we have some very important filters which are attempted and engaged. Attempt, once again, means any outbound communication, and engaged means any inbound communication. So if I wanted to see any leads that have 0 outbound communication, I can apply this filter. Or if I want to see some lead that has only 1 outbound communication, such as maybe someone just sent them only 1 email or text message, then I can select that from the list over here. We have a lot more options over here: less than equal to 1, greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 2, greater than equal to 2, so on and so forth. Same applies in engaged. So if I wanted to capture any leads that have 0 inbound communication, that means we have been trying to communicate with them, but they have not called us or emailed us or texted us back, then we can apply a filter over here and capture those leads only. We have custom filters on top, which means that you won't have to play with these filters down here, but you can simply go over here and select one of these descriptive lines, such as no outbound communication. That means we have any leads that we have not sent any texts or emails or phone calls in the last 7 days. No inbound means any leads that have not sent us any inbound communication. No serious activity in last 7 days. That means that any leads that have not turned into proposals yet. Once again, proposals are if they fill out a credit application, or if they complete an appointment, or if they send us a formal price offer. So we have quite a few, which the top section mostly means last 7 days, and then dig older data means like anything 30 days, last 7 to 30 days, or even older. There's a filter over here that says visited but not sold. These are leads that have visited us. That means they were in store, but they have not purchased a car from us. So when I applied this filter, I've got 5 leads over here that are telling me that this person, Zakia Davis, they came into the store, but they have not bought a car, because the reason over here is a tag applied. It says inventory in transit. They were on a car which was in transit. So if the car has arrived, then our salesperson should inform them. Then we have Lisa Hill, which basically was in store, but their appointment turned into will be back. Let's reset this filter so we can go back to our normal view. In opportunity list, the advantage is that you don't have to jump into or step into every lead and open the detail view. You can see how many attempts were there, how many engagements or inbound communications were there, or if there was any proposals over there. You have phone and emails. You can actually click on a phone number to send them or call them from the CRM's native phone system. which will keep the conversation in the history of that lead to be retrieved later on. In the dialer, you also have frequently asked questions which can be accessed by typing a keyword such as financing or any other keyword. We can access notes by clicking over here. So if we're trying to communicate with several leads quickly, and the best way to do it is go into opportunity list and start reading notes, and after reading the note we can send them an email or a text such as this right here, and as soon as we do that, the activity and the counters also go up. We can access which car they were looking at by clicking on the vehicle link, and that will open up the detailed view of that vehicle. There's also merging features available in opportunity lists. So for example, if two leads were from the same person, we can select those two and click on this merge option, which will ask us, how do you want to merge it? Do you want to merge it as one buyer, or you want to merge it as buyer and a co-buyer? This will be for later training, a different video. We will talk about merging. We also can, for managers, this is actually important, the managers can also select any leads and reassign them to any other team members by clicking on this reassignment link and selecting any of the team members from the list that's available. They can change the primary and BDC assigned on these leads. So this will be a bulk operation. The other bulk operations that are available over here are bulk emailing and bulk texting. So if I wanted to send everyone in this list, all 25 people on this page, an SMS or bulk email, I click over here and I can select a template and send them a link right now. And this will send them a bulk email telling everyone to call us back, or whichever the template that was selected. We can also do the same thing. I just sent an email, but I can do the same thing with an SMS, bulk SMS. I can go in there and select a template and send them. I'm not going to send them right now, but you can send them a mass text message. There's also a filter over here for the appointment outcome. The appointment outcome filter is very important. So if I wanted to see anyone that was in store but they didn't buy the car, I can actually click over here, and this will bring me all my appointments that were in store for the last 7 days. The ones that have sold or these tags next to them lost will be back. These are the status of the appointments. Now notice that it says sold ? That means that your salesperson or your BDC manager has indicated that this lead is potentially sold. However, it won't be considered fully sold until a sales manager can go in and create a proper sale and finalize it. We can also link leads, which is different than merging leads. Linking means that, for example, two leads are acquaintances or somehow they're connected to each other, but they're still two separate leads. We can link them by selecting those two and clicking on the link option, which will ask us a few confirmation messages and then link them together. That way we can access one lead from the other lead. If you open any linked leads, you can access the other lead from there. This concludes our training for opportunity list. Thank you.